How to make tasty jamun. Preparation of sugar syrup. Prepare sugar syrup. Mix water and sugar in 2:1 ratio and boil the syrup until the syrup consistency is formed. Add ilachi to the syrup and keep the syrup aside to warm down. Making balls. 1. Add the jamun flour to a blend. Pour required quantity of water and knead a dough. Add little amount of ghee to make the dough soft and keep the dough aside for 15 minutes. 2. Apply a little amount of ghee over palm and start rolling the dough and make small balls. Making jamun. 1. Heat up the pan with oil and ghee. Once the oil gets heated, drop the balls into the pan and fry the balls until the color changes to golden brown. 2. Let the fried balls come down to room temperature. 3. Drop the balls to the sugar syrup. 4. Allow the balls to rest for 3 to 4 hours in the syrup and serve.